Sorry about that, guys. I forgot that I had two more, so I'm going to run these, go through these really quick for you. The first thing I need to do is I need to put this in power form. Notice that I have just a single unit in the denominator. When that occurs, I can go ahead and split it up. The difference is if I had something where I'd like x plus 3. So let me show you. If this was x plus 3, then I can't split that up. But since I have a single term in the denominator, I can put x to the 3 halves over x squared and 6x over x squared. And let's do that. So I have x to the 3 halves over x squared and 6x over x squared. Well, that's going to be, let me see here, that would be 4 halves. So this will be x to the negative 1 half plus 6, and then 1 minus 2 is x to the negative 1. And so now I'm ready to take my derivative. So this will give me negative 1 half x to the negative 3 halves plus 6, negative 6x to the negative 2. Alright, number 11. This is just comboing everything. We're going to put everything that I've talked to you about together. So let's first put everything in power form. The next thing I want to do is multiply. So a half times, let me see here, so 3 1 half, x to 1 half times 3x 1 half would give me 3x plus x to 1 half times 6 would be 6x to the 1 half. 5 times 3x to 1 half is 15x to the 1 half. And then 5 times 6 is 30. And divide that whole thing by 2x. And that's going to be, so this is still my y. So that means 3x plus 21 x to the 1 half plus 30, all divided by 2x. Now I can split everything up underneath 2x. So if I split these guys up, I have 3x over 2x, which that just gives me 3 over 2 because my x's will cancel, plus 21, and then 21 over 2, and then my x's is 1 half minus 1 is x to the negative 1 half, and then 30 divided by 2 is 15, and my x is in the denominator, so it's x to the negative 1. So now I'm finally in power form, and now I can go ahead and take my derivative. So the derivative of a constant function is 0, so he's gone. And so next I have 21 over 2 times negative 1 half x to the negative 3 halves minus 15x to the negative 2. So that would be negative 21 over 4 x to the 3 over 2 minus 15x to the negative 2. Alright. And those are several examples of my power rules.